Okay, things are kind of a mess right now, but you're getting to the point where you can start to kind of see how this is going to get laid out. You can see that we've got the toilet sitting in there. Right now I've got it completely up against the battery case. I'm going to space that out probably about ½ an inch. And this is where the base of the fridge is. So the way that this is going to work is we've got this piece, which is basically a frame that's the size of the front of the fridge, and it is more or less going to go right here. We're going to kind of have that along the front edge on the front and the back, and I'm going to give myself just enough space there to be able to get the toilet in and out, and then this is going to get attached. And we've got the back support back there, and then the fridge will basically slide in through here. And once we get the fridge in there, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 beams that go from here back to that railing. We'll put a piece of 80/20 in there the same way that we've done back there, and then we'll have this will be attached straight back, and that will actually hold the fridge in. And the front of the fridge has screws that will go through the flange that's on the front that will hold the fridge in, and then the fridge will be there. And that is basically going to be the size of it, and that will move us quite a bit closer to actually having something that is more useful. We are actually insulating underneath the fridge. You can see that we've got these thin pieces of foam here. They basically look like this. They're pretty squishy. They go down in between the ridges here. But then I actually also have a piece of 1-inch thick foamular. I don't know exactly what density this is, but it doesn't matter. This is basically just XPS, and this is going to actually go underneath here, and I might have to play with it just a little bit so that it doesn't push that out, but this will go underneath there, and then that will provide me some insulation. It's not the perfect size, but it's definitely going to help take the edge off. Okay, we're now ready for the fridge to go in. These back supports here, those might need to move in and out, but I'm going to wait until I get the fridge in there, and then I'm going to adjust it so that they are where they need to be relative to the fridge. But basically we're here. This is pretty strong. You know, once I get the various pieces tightened down, it'll be even stronger, but it's ready for the fridge. Okay, so we are getting ready to set the fridge in here. This thing weighs about 80 pounds, so it's not super light. Okay, and obviously the phone weighs a fair amount too. So let's try that again. Okay. It's 80 pounds and it's awkward. Okay.
Yeah, let me
So we need to get her centered so that we can actually get it in there.
Get down on my knee. Okay.
Are you in on your side?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I am not. I'm still on the angle. I'm not on the.
Right.
But
Okay.
I am in,
Ready to lift it up in?
I guess.
Okay. Okay. Bring it back. Okay. Ready to keep bringing it back?
I think so. Okay.
And you can see this bar down here. The back of the fridge will rest on that.
Which bar?
The bar that goes like this.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
My
We're definitely not.
I am not on because the bottom corner of the fridge is like.
Yeah,
way,
it's caught up here. It's caught up here,
what do I
which is.
need to do?
We probably need to pull the whole thing forward just a hair, so that this can get through. Okay. Hold on just a second. Hold on. Let go. Okay, we need to get this out of here. Scoot that.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Too easy.
All right. Now. Okay. So it's basically in there. The following steps that remain, I've got to drill holes through all of these sections, and that's what will actually hold it in there. And now I'm going to adjust these bars back here so that they're actually holding the fridge where it needs to go. And I'll do that on both sides, and you can see that I left them loose so that we would have plenty of room. But I'll do that on both sides, and then we screw this thing in, and it's basically there. We have the power for it right here. That will get plugged into the 24 volt, which is currently right there. And other than that, the fridge is here.